Good morning, bias students, grade 11. This is week 6, where we will be discussing the electric field. These are the objectives or things that you will be able to know at the end of this chapter. What is a field? A field is a region in which a force is exerted on an object at a distance. What if this field is electric? This means it should be around any charged object. Like charges repel, positive, they repel, negative, repel, and unlike charges attract, negative and positive. If a charged object is placed in an electric field, it will experience a force. You will say now that the teacher is only reading what is written in the PowerPoint. Let's do this. We have two objects. They are neutral. If one of them is positively charged, we can see clearly that a certain vector or many vectors appear around this positively charged. And if I look about the direction of these vectors, we can say that they are directed away from the positive charge. What if we increase the quantity of charge? The field lines increases, this vector increases, which we call field lines vector. What do I call it? Field lines vector. What if this object is negative instead of positive? Also vectors will appear around this charged body. But the direction of this vector now is towards the negative particle, not away from it, as the case when the object was positive. We can see clearly that these field lines are directed from the positive particle towards the negative particles, or directed away from the positive enters the negative. This is the concept of the electric field lines. This is if these two objects are positives, and now if these two objects are negatives, we can see clearly that all field lines are directed towards the negative particle. Is it clear? So this is our first video where we discussed the electric field lines that exist about any charged body, whether it's positive or negative. If it is positive, these lines will be directed away from it. If the particle is negative or the charged particle is negative, it will be directed towards it. Thank you.